Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Wendy. Today, we are going to talk about the different types of custom Fiesta medals and what things should you consider when you design your medals. Hope some of the ideas can help you go through a successful 2023 Fiesta year. Okay, let's get started. The first type is die-struck medal. It is a single metal piece with colorful enamel painted. The kind of medal is the most popular, simplest, and cheap option. The second is spinner medal. Spinner medal is funny. They have a rotating capacity of 360 degrees, add a fun element to your brand or message that you are promoting. The third is hinged medals. Just like doors, users can open and close these innovative door-type medals and view two different versions of medals in one. Being a sort of two-in-one medal, they are much more expensive than the others. But who would resist paying more for these funny medals? The fourth is slider medals. Slider medals are two pieces connected, and one piece is fixed, and the other can slide. The fifth is printed medals. If your medal design is complicated or have gradual colors, printed medal is a good option. It can show all of the details. So next, let's talk about what to consider when designing the medals. First, about design. Many businesses and institutions treat them in bulk quantity either for raising awareness about their products and service or charity. They are usually considered as a party with a purpose, and the purpose of Fiesta Medals is to support non-profit organizations in the San Antonio region. So when designing medals, you need to consider the Fiesta culture, global trends. A good Fiesta medal will help you stand out during the Fiesta season. Second, about size. The average Fiesta medal size varies from 1.75 inch to 3 inch. Know that the bigger size, the higher price. The third is its base color. The most popular medal colors are gold, silver, and black. Fourth, about ribbon or pin. Each medal will be attached to the clothes, so ribbon or lapel pin is a must-have. On the ribbons, you can have your company logo printed. So next, talk about the colors. The color of Fiesta medal is complicated. The standard number of colors are 6 to 8. Usually, more colors, more expense. About glitter. Glitter colors will make your medal shiny and sparkling, and it needs a little extra cost. Dangles. Dangle is a small piece of metal added to the main medal. The dangle size usually is 0.5 to 1 inch. The medal can be with 1 dangle, 2 dangles, or 3 dangles as you like. But remember, the more dangles, the higher price. Well, don't forget the ear. You can have the ear on the front of the medal or the back side. Some collectors won't buy a medal without ear. The next about the back stamp. In the back side of medal, you can have your company logo, phone number, and website on it to advertise. It needs an extra moffe, but it doesn't affect the unit price. The last is about quantity. The minimum order quantity is 100 pieces per design. Okay, when you see here, you may want to design your own Fiesta medals now. So, when will be a good time to order Fiesta medals? Yeah, Fiesta events start April 20th to 30th, so you need to think about design and order in advance. The best time to confirm order is September and October. In this way, you have enough time to produce, shipment, and reordering. Okay, that's all for today. If you liked the video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will share more useful knowledge about medals. Bye, see you next time.